So here we go, we've arrived folks at Mountsberg Conservation Area. Had a look at them online today. You have two options from what they were saying on their website, that you could check in online or you could do it at the gates. Gates are manned all the time. We've arrived here. When I tried to do the online reservation, I could only choose tomorrow. You can't do the same day online reservation, it would appear. So we've just driven through to the Mountsberg Conservation Area to the front gate to find that there's nobody in the gate and that you have to register online. So it's a little bit of a wash. So I'm going to give it a little bit of thought and figure out where we can try to go to next and see if we can get a bit of a video going. Hopefully we can today. If not, I'll have to make another plan for maybe later tomorrow to take you to potentially the Canadian Warplane History Museum. Another fascinating place to go and have a look at if you're ever in the Hamilton and Ontario area in Canada. One of the only two flying Lancaster bombers from World War II, British Avro Lancasters, are housed at that museum. So if I can't figure anything out, I'll see you when I get to that side tomorrow. Cheers folks, bye. Well, we made it in folks. Got the problem with the gate sorted out. We're now in Mountsberg Conservation Area. I think we're going to start with going up to, they call the Raptor Center. Let's see what we can see there. Hopefully we'll see some decent birds. There's something over there I see called winter root or rot or something. We'll go and have a look at that. But yeah, this place looks interesting. Loads of people visiting today. Apparently something called Maple Town Festival going on today. We're going to have a look and see if we can spot what that's all about. No doubt it's got something to do with maple syrup. Information about the wildlife, let me see what that says. Oh, don't touch surfaces to ensure staff stay healthy and health of the raptors. There you go. See, some of the COVID warnings are still going here, but that's okay. Let's go take a look around and see what we can see. In theory, in here is a bald eagle. Nice wood carving. This looks very cool. There's a nice little trail marked out here, and it leads you to the next set of enclosures. It's always a bittersweet moment for me coming to places like this. I love seeing the birds and the raptors up close, but you also realize that they're in captivity, which let's see, some interesting stuff. There's 27 different species of raptors in Ontario. Look at that little owl, saw-whet owl. Interesting birds in this part of the world. Maybe make it a challenge. I'll challenge my son Matthew to go out and find photographs of all 27 species of raptors in Ontario. I wonder if you'll take that challenge. Tell me in the comments below if you want Matthew to take that challenge.
In his attempt to escape the trap, he also snipped off the tip of his beak
Another
in such a way that it will never
folks.
grow back.
Beautiful bird.
I can't tell that his beak's missing.
There you go folks, another eagle getting a shower. Look at the size of those talons. I really hope it's coming through clearly on the video, folks. I really do. There we go. And a beautiful bird up top there. Guys, one of the fastest birds in the world, the peregrine falcon. Really, really, really hope you guys can see it on the GoPro. I really hope you can see it. I have a horrible feeling I'm going to get home and be very disappointed with this video, but I'm hoping you guys can see the birds. This is a great horned owl.
Where? Yeah, that's an eagle owl. I think he's hiding.
And beautiful birds.
Oh.
We have and in here, guys, we have the Eurasian eagle owl. My other son Tristan's favourite bird. We toyed with playing with falconry at one point, and this is the bird he wanted for falconry.
Oh, another great.
And another horned owl, folks, hiding behind the foliage. Sometimes I wonder what's going through all these birds' minds, looking at these humans in captivity. Who knows? There you go, people. You can do some comparisons if you want. Wingspans of different birds. So from the saw-whet owl, which is the smallest, all the way up to the bald eagle.
You want to see the horned owl?
The horned owl?
Amazing. Can you imagine that? A wingspan of 7 feet, good grief. There's another hawk for you folks. The cage is getting on my nerves, I must be honest. Understand why it's here. These cages do not make for cool videos. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got a flying birdie on my hands.
Was that him making the noise? Maybe.
I go away.
Where'd he go?
There's a fish over
On his feet. What's his bench?
go over. Come on, Grandma.
Yeah, I can see.
That's a lock.
Oh, he turned it back to us. Yeah, he wants to rest.
No. Yeah. No.
Look at that beauty, folks. It's a spectacle owl. I'm really hoping you can get a clear view of it, folks. I really do.
Dig. This is a coconut. This is the digger.
Walk this way.
Keep going.
They'll try to control.
What we have here, folks, is the flyaway area. Sort of an area for birds to get a little bit of exercise, change of scenery. When the places have been cleared out, the enclosures have been cleaned, where they can enjoy the weather, especially the warm weather. Some of them are leashed to the perches. It just limits the amount that they can move around, but they still have a fair amount of freedom. It's one of those sad things, I suppose, that we always have to weigh up conservation, education versus captivity. I blow hot and cold in it, I honestly do. I get the purpose and the benefit behind it, but sometimes I wonder. Oh well. There's some beautiful birds here. That alone, just these birds alone, are well worth the, it was $12 a head to get in here. Then when you consider all the other activities that you have here in terms of trails, etc., and in summer, I mean, you can go canoeing, you can go hiking, you can go swimming and all sorts of stuff, fishing. Great neck of the woods. Maple Town. Let's go and have a look at all the maple syrup, folks. What do you reckon?
Follow Max.
Thank you so much.
Well, folks, I think that brings us to the end of our quick trip to the Mountsberg conservation area. We're going to head off back to the car and head off back home. Fascinating place. First time I've ever been here. We'll definitely again be back in the summer. Come and have a look around and do some of the trails. Now you can join me for a walk on some of the trails around here. I'm keeping the camera firmly on myself at the moment as I'm walking past a whole bunch of little kiddies. You don't need to get them on the video. But yeah, is it worth the money? From what I've seen today, for sure. Looks like a great day out. Maybe bring your own sort of picnic lunch and snacks along with you to enjoy. Sit under these lovely trees, have a feed, take a walk. Hey, bring your canoe, put it on the water, go for a paddle. All sorts of fun things to do. So anyway, folks, thanks for joining me on this little adventure today. This video will be up hopefully by Tuesday. If you've had a fantastic weekend. We're in spring here in Ontario, so as you can see, the headgear has changed, the flat cap is gone, and the sun hat is on. And yeah, hopefully we get some more warm weather and enjoy some more fun times outdoors. Keep smiling, stay happy, and see you all on the next one. Bye now.